Hey, it's Ben at DCD Cabinets, here to show you a couple tidbits. Today we're going to talk about roll-out drawers inside your base cabinets. Inside this cabinet we have two roll-out drawers. We make a maple dovetail drawer box and holds 100-pound capacity. These drawer slides are just like your top drawer slides. You can release them by pinching the orange handles, sliding the drawer box right out. Then you can easily adjust your drawer slides that have a bracket that you just simply lift and pull out, and these pins slide into the holes that are already inside your cabinet. Simply line up on an angle, pivot down, that locks those in place on both sides. Then you can easily set your drawer box back in place. Here, snap in place, and you're good to go. As easy as that.